All right, guys, we are going to look at setting up a testing account for the certification exams for Coach Keener's class, Coach Lustig's class, and Miss Barton's class. So to do that, we're going to head over to Certiport.com. And there's two ways we'll approach this. We'll all click login/register up here in the top right-hand corner of your screen. And then you're either a new user, you've never taken a certification exam with Certiport in Coach Keener, Coach Lustig, or Miss Barton's class. You'll create a new user account. If you have taken a certification exam with one of those teachers in the past, you can enter to confirm your username and password here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try the new user section for our new users. So we'll click register, fill in all the necessary required information. Here you'll choose your preferred language, country, region, United States. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Fill in the characters in the CAPTCHA there, and then we'll click next to advance. First name, last name, only the categories indicated with the red asterisks are required. So let's go ahead and fill in that information. When we get to the username and password, this is the important part for us. There's a certain way that we are going to create these usernames and passwords. If you look on the Certiport login info document or card that you've probably been issued by your teacher, the username is going to consist of your first initial, your full last name, and the last 2 digits of your birth year. Your password is going to be your student number, followed by your first and last initial. So again, first initial, last name, and last 2 digits of the year you were born. Student ID number followed by first and last initial. Confirm that below. Fill in your security questions and answers, and then hit next. Email. I would use your student email address. That makes the most sense. Remember, yours will be student ID number at share.brevardschools.org. Your address. If you pass a certain number of exams in any given program, they'll send you like an official credential, so you want to make sure this information is accurate. For this example, I'm just going to use the school address. Line 1 is just street address. Next. Currently enrolled as a student, you'll hit yes. Okay, I'm not, so I'm gonna hit no. Am I currently employed? Okay, you answer that one individually, and your gender. And hit submit. You'll hit the checkbox on this screen to take an exam or prepare for an exam, and then choose next. This is where it will differ per class. For example, Miss Barton's class, you will register for Microsoft. Coach Keener's class, you'll register for Adobe. And Coach Lustig's class, you will register for Autodesk. So whichever one of those applies to you, you'll click register. For this example, I'll click register for Adobe. It'll take you to another screen where you're going to click non-disclosure agreement. Yes, I accept. Submit, and then at the very bottom you'll click next, and then finish. And then your account has been successfully created. So once you go through that process, you're going to go to your testing card, whether it's on the computer or your teacher's handed this out to you. You'll type your name, your username that we just created, or if you have one that you've used in past years and you remember that, okay? And then, of course, your password, which should be your student ID number followed by your first initial. Okay, obviously they won't be X's, they'll be actual numbers there. Once you do this, you're gonna save this if it's online and turn it in through Google Classroom, if that's what your instructor tells you to do, or if you've got a printed version, you're gonna just turn this in to your teacher, okay? The exam group, you don't have to worry about that right now. Your teacher may have provided that for you. If so, fill it in. If not, your teacher can do that for you. Hope this helps you guys. Good luck on your testing, and I'll catch you later.